Hi everyone, and welcome to another Healthy You, Healthy Earth. We're continuing our discussion on ways to eat green, which means that we're eating healthy for us and for the planet. And at first glance, many people do assume that ZooFit supports a completely vegetarian diet. I mean, what better way to eat green than eating greens? But in all actuality, I encourage others to find a lifestyle which fits them best. If that lifestyle includes eating meat, then I am all for it. The best diet is the one that you can sustain for life. However, that being said, I cannot ignore the huge benefits of reducing our meat consumption, both on our health and the health of the planet. And eating just a little less meat in our diet, even if you decide to stay an actual meat eater, can have really significant impact on the environment. There is a great movement today encouraging Americans, or at least the English-speaking cultures, to practice what we call Meatless Mondays. And I'd like to highlight them to discuss how and why this practice can help save the world. You don't have to make huge drastic changes to make a difference. Now, research shows that if we all reduced our normal intake of meat by one measly day a week, we could have the same impact on our carbon emissions as removing 16 million cars from the roads. Now, agriculture is actually one of the lowest contributors to CO2 in the United States, at only 14%, coming from the agriculture sector. However, within agriculture, meat is the highest contributor, but it is so much more than just carbon emissions. And meat is a very water and land dependent product. 1 pound of meat requires approximately 2,400 gallons of water versus the approximate 25 gallons it requires to produce a pound of wheat. Livestock and land to grow food for livestock takes up 78% of all farmland, whereas human consumption takes up only about 22%. So if you're looking for one small action to have the biggest bang for your buck for the environment, the choice is easy. You don't even have to give up all meat, but simply reducing meat consumption can help in a big way. And you can still practice your favorite lifestyles while cutting out meat one day a week. There are plenty of vegetarian and vegan paleo, keto, and AIP recipes out there waiting for you to discover them. In fact, even my ZooFit Safari guide, I provide several vegetarian and vegan options to all lifestyles offered. You practice eating greens 7 days a week by eliminating meat only one. You can eat clean, live green, and train positive.